partiers, it's your girl Tiffany back in the spot again, back with another video. And today, you guys, I'm going to be making some New Year's Eve trays and some dessert cups. So I wanted to do a little video, show you guys some ideas, different tray ideas you can use and dessert cup ideas you can use for your New Year's Eve party. But stay tuned to this video and let me show you how to do this. Okay, you guys, so first things first, what I want to show you are these little cups that I got from, if you guys watch my videos, you already know what I'm going to say. I got them from where, you guys? Dollar Tree. And these are water glasses, says. But let me show you guys one. This is one water glass. And you guys, I also bought these wine glasses because I'm gonna put my desserts in them, not wine. But let me show you guys all the items that I got to do this these dessert cups. Okay, you guys, we are on to the next tray, and next tray I'm doing is a vegetable tray. And here are the items you're going to need. I got my little tray here with the slots in there, and then you can put the dip in the middle. I got some cucumbers I cut up. I got my broccoli, you guys. I got cherry tomatoes. And I also have, let me grab them for you guys. I got cherry tomatoes, and I got these Wild Wonders gourmet tomatoes. See, they're like yellow tomatoes, dark red, bright red. Different tomatoes in there, you guys. I got some carrots here. I got my celery that I'm going to be cutting up. And I also have hold on 1 minute, you guys. I got my sour cream because I'm going to make my own dip. And I'm going to be making ranch dip. But I got the powdered ranch. And I'm going to be adding bacon bits to mine. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, you guys. I am going to start by cutting my celery. I'm trying to adjust my camera, you guys, so you guys can see. I am going to start by cutting my celery, and this part right here, I'm going to cut off, but I have washed my celery and everything, you guys. So I'm going to just chop these ends off right here. And on my other video, you guys, that vegetable tray on there, my mom did that one. She also likes doing different things with food, creating trays and different things. Okay, so I'm going to cut these ends off. One. Okay. And I'm going to get my handy dandy gloves here. shouldn't take that long to get some gloves on. But it is what it is, you guys. Okay, so I got my gloves on. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these celery pieces aside. What I'm going to do is take the celery and I'm going to go straight down the middle and then chop it. Or you can just do it like this. Just chop it. And if it's too big to you, you can take it and just go straight down the middle. And then if it's still too big, you can just continue to chop it. But I'm going to leave mine like this. So, just going to chop it and then split it in the middle. See, like this piece, a little bit big. So what I'm going to do is chop it again down the middle. There we go. So this one, I'm just going to chop down the middle. I'm going to chop it again because it's too big. I'm going to chop off this end, you guys. So I'm going to continue to chop my celery. So you guys in the comments, don't forget to mention what you guys are doing for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. I'm going to try to post this video, upload this video tonight, you guys. But these trays are good for not just New Year's Eve, any event that you're doing, basically. Okay. So I'm going to finish chopping my celery and I'll be back, you guys. So you guys, I got my broccoli. So what I'm going to do is just tear some off of here. Guys, let's see. Just going to tear it off of here. Okay, you guys, I got my broccoli cut up, so I'm going to bring my tray back forward. And I'm just going to take my broccoli. Sorry about the fall, you guys. And I'm just going to put it in my tray. And here we go. Now, I'm going to do the dip. So I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to make the dip. I have got my sour cream in my bowl. I'm going to mix up a little first. What I'm going to do is take some sour cream out of the bucket. So I'm going to scoop some in here, this bowl. Okay. And I still got a little left in the container, you guys. And I'm just going to use that for like refill. I have to refill my dip. Okay, now, remember in the beginning, I was showing you this ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix. It's the powder. This is what I'm going to put in the sour cream. And you can find this at any grocery store, you guys. And you don't have to do ranch. You can do other seasonings too, your preference. But I'm going to put probably like half of this pack in here. Okay. Then I'm going to stir it around real good, you guys. Make sure you stir it really good. I guess I could have used a bigger bowl, but it is what it is right now. And I made this plenty of times, so I know how it tastes. It tastes very good, you guys. Very, very good. But these are like I said, good ideas if you want to do it yourself. For weddings, if you need something to take to a family outing or a birthday party, whatever. Okay, so now that I have got my ranch, I'm going to take these bacon bits that I bought at my local grocery store. They're bacon bits, fully cooked. And I'm going to sprinkle some in this right here. Okay. And I'm just going to stir this in. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna put it in my tray. Okay, you guys, so I'm back to go over this vegetable tray again. I went to upload my video and I found out that I erased 2 of my clips. So now I have to go back over and explain to you guys how this tray came about. I lost the clips of where I put the tomatoes and cucumbers and stuff on the tray. But again, this is the finished tray. And what I did is I used gourmet tomatoes in one slot to bring out the tray. I wanted to use the gourmet tomatoes. You see they have the yellow tomatoes and the orange and the red and all those colors. And then I use regular cherry tomatoes over here on the opposite side. And then I have my carrots on one side and my cucumbers on the other side. I basically divided this slot in half because it was big enough to do it on these Dollar Tree trays. And then I just added my, oh, this slot I also divided in half. I put the celery on one side and then the broccoli on the other side. And then my dip in the middle. So, that's all. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.